friends, welcome to Chetan classes. In last video, we saw how to find A inverse using adjoint method. Today, we are going to learn matrix equation. Matrix equation. Two equations in two variables. First, two equations in two variables. First, we will see the steps. So, let a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 be two equations. Then, here write ax is equal to b form. So ax means write the coefficient of x in first equation, here a1, coefficient of y in first equation, that is b1. Now coefficient of second equation, coefficient of x in second equation, that is a2, and coefficient of y in second equation, that is b2. Our unknown is, that means variable, write in column xy is equal to, write this constant in RHS. This form is, that is the form is ax is equal to b. So here this is our A matrix, this is our x, that is unknown matrix, and this is our constant B matrix. It's called matrix form. Similarly, in three variables also. So next, solution of simultaneous equation by matrix inversion method. So how to find the solution? So since we have ax is equal to b, then find A inverse using adjoint method. So therefore, whenever we find A inverse, pre-multiply ax is equal to b in this equation, that is A inverse into ax is equal to A inverse into b. So here A inverse into A into x is equal to A inverse into b. A inverse into A is I. So I into x is equal to A inverse into b. Rx, it means x is equal to A inverse into b. So we get the values of x is equal to A inverse into b. तो मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन यहाँ पे करके जो भी वैल्यूज आएंगे वो अपने अननोन मैट्रिक्स की रहेंगी. इट मीन्स वी गेट द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड. सो इक्वेटेड टू मैट्रिसेस वी गेट वैल्यूज ऑफ वेरिएबल्स and hence we get the solution. Examples for solving the equation using matrix inversion method. Using matrix inversion method, solve the equations. First, phi x plus y is equal to 13 and second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Now we already know what are the steps. So since ax is equal to b means write the given equation in Ax is equal to B form. So therefore, matrix A means coefficient matrix. So first column is the coefficient of x in first and second equation, that is 5 and 3. Second column, the coefficient of y. The first equation coefficient of y is 1 and in second equation coefficient of y is 2. X means unknown, that is xy, is equal to b means constant, that is 13 5. So this is our x, this is our x and this is our b. Now find A inverse. Find A inverse. So for finding A inverse, first we find the determinant of A. So determinant of A is 5, 1, 3, 2, which is equal to 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A is non-singular matrix and hence A inverse exists. Now find minus and cofactors. So M11 is removing first row, first column and take determinant of remaining values. So M11 is 2. So C11 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 into 2 is equal to 2. M12 is 3. C12 is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. So minus 1 raised to 3 into 3, which is equal to minus 3. Now M21 is equal to 1. C21 is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 into 1 is equal to minus 1. And M22 is 5. So C22 is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22. So minus 1 raised to 4 into 5 is equal to 5. So therefore, adjoint of A is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 5 and take transpose of that. So 2 minus 3 minus 1 5. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Substitute the values. So therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon 7 into 2 minus 1 minus 3 5. Now Ax is equal to B. So pre-multiply both the side by A inverse. So we get A inverse into Ax is equal to A inverse into B. So therefore A inverse into A into x is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse into A is I. So I into x is equal to A inverse B. So therefore x is equal to A inverse into B. So therefore x is equal to A inverse 1 upon 7, 2 minus 1 minus 3 5 and B matrix is 13 5. 13 5. So 13 5. Now matrix multiplication. So 1 upon 7, here 26 minus 5 and minus 39 plus 25. मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करते हैं, ए इन्वर्स कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं, ये अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है तो मेरे लास्ट वीडियोस चेक कीजिए. सो देयरफॉर वी गेट x इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 7 इंटू 21 माइनस 14 which is equal to 3 minus 2. Now x means xy. So xy is equal to 3 minus 2. It means x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2 is the required solution. Is the required solution. Okay. Second example. X plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 12. X plus 4y plus 4z is equal to 15 and x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 13. So first step, write the given system of equation in Ax is equal to B form. So since Ax is equal to B, A means coefficient matrix. First column of matrix A is coefficient of x. So first equation coefficient of x is 1, second equation coefficient of x is 1, and third equation coefficient of x is also 1. Now second column means coefficient of y. So in first equation coefficient of y is 3, in second equation coefficient of y is 4, and in third equation coefficient of y is 3. And third column means coefficient of z, that is 3, 4, 4. X means unknown, that is x, y, z, and B means constants, that is 12, 15 and 13, where this is our A matrix, this is our X and this is our B. Now find A inverse. So for finding A inverse, first we find determinant of A. So determinant of A is determinant of 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 4 is equal to 1 into 16 minus 12 minus 3 into 4 minus 4 plus 3 into 3 minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 0 minus 3. So 1, which is not equal to 0, means A is non-singular matrix and hence A inverse exists. Now find A inverse. So 3 cross 3 matrix है तो 9 cofactors, 9 minors. So M11 is equal to determinant of 4, 4, 3, 4 is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. So C11 is equal to minus 1 square into 4, which is equal to 4. M12 is determinant of 1, 4, 1, 4. It means 0. So C12 is equal to minus 1 cube into 0, that is 0. M13 is determinant of 1, 4, 1, 3. So 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So C13 is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 into minus 1, that is minus 1. M21 means determinant of 3, 3, 3, 4 is equal to 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. So C21 is equal to minus 1 cube into 3 is equal to minus 3. M22 means determinant of 1, 3, 1, 4 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So C22 is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 into 1, that is 1. Now M23 is determinant of 1, 3, 1, 3 is equal to 0. So C23 is equal to minus 1 raised to 5 into 0, which is equal to 0. M31 is determinant of 3, 3, 4, 4 is equal to 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So C31 is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 into 0, which is equal to 0. M32 is determinant of 1, 3, 1, 4 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So C32 is minus 1 raised to 5 into 1 is equal to minus 1. And M33 is determinant of 1, 3, 1, 4 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So C33 is equal to minus 1 raised to 6 into 1 is equal to 1. So therefore adjoint of A is equal to 4, 0, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 1. Now minus 3, 1, 0, minus 3, 1, 0 and 0, minus 1, 1 and take transpose of that is equal to 4, 0, minus 1, minus 3, 1, 0 and 0, minus 1, 1. So therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Substitute the values. So 1 upon 1 into 4 minus 3, 0, 0, 1 minus 1 minus 1, 0, 1. It means the same matrix, that is adjoint matrix. 4 minus 3 0, 0, 1 minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1. This is our A inverse. Now, since AX is equal to B, so pre-multiply both the side by A inverse. So A inverse into A means I into X is equal to A inverse into B. So therefore X is equal to A inverse into B. Substitute the values. So X is equal to A inverse is 4 minus 3 0, 0, 1 minus 1, minus 1 0 1 into matrix B is 12, 15, 13. Now matrix multiplication. So X is equal to 48 minus 45 plus 0, 0 plus 15 minus 13 minus 12 plus 0 plus 13 is equal to 3, 2, 1. Now X means XYZ. XYZ is equal to 3, 2, 1. It means X is equal to 3, Y is equal to 2 and Z is equal to 1 is the required solution. Is the required solution. Okay. Now, matrix chapter of Diploma Semester 1 is finished. So in next video, we will see another chapter.